How to set up a cash drawer connected to a serial or parallel port in AAAPOS RetailManager. Before setting up on RetailManager, please ensure the following connections are properly made. If using a serial port, connect the cash drawer to the computer's serial port using the serial cable. If using a parallel port, connect the cash drawer to the computer's parallel port using the parallel cable. In the AAAPOS RetailManager, select on the Setup menu and select Hardware. This will open the Hardware Setup window. Ensure that the Cash Drawer tab is selected in the Hardware window. Check the box labeled Use Cash Drawer to enable the Cash Drawer functionality. In the Cash Drawer Model field, choose Parallel Port Cash Drawer if the drawer is connected to a parallel port, or Serial Port Cash Drawer if the drawer is connected to a serial port. Select the correct port where your cash drawer is connected. This should be available in the drop-down list. If using a serial port cash drawer, click Settings and enter the relevant configuration details like baud rate, data bits, parity, stop bits, and flow control. Click Apply once the details are entered. Be sure to consult your cash drawer documentation for the correct values. In the Trigger field, verify the control codes used to open the cash drawer. Ensure these values are correct according to the cash drawer's documentation. If you're using a serial port, input the multiplier in the provided field. The multiplier indicates how many times the computer must send a signal to open the drawer. Select Test to check if the settings are correct. If everything is configured properly, the cash drawer will open. Once the cash drawer opens, select Apply to save your settings and close the window. Troubleshooting tip: if the cash drawer does not open after setting everything up, ensure all connections are correct. Additionally, you can try adding this code to the trigger field, escape, P0, and double closing curly brackets. This generic firing code may help in cases where the drawer doesn't respond. By following these steps, your cash drawer connected to a serial or parallel port should be properly set up in AAAPOS RetailManager.